Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you how to set an invisible name on WhatsApp. It's a fun and unique way to customize your profile and stand out. Let's jump right in. Oh, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you enjoy helpful tutorials like this one. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Once you're inside, tap on the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner to open the menu. From there, select Settings. At the top of the Settings page, you'll see your profile details, including your current name. Tap on your name to access the Edit Profile section. Now, here's the trick. WhatsApp doesn't allow you to leave your name blank by default, but there's a workaround. You can use a special invisible Unicode character to make your name appear blank. To get this invisible character, check the description of this video where I've included it for you. Just copy the invisible character from there. Go back to WhatsApp, delete your current name, and paste the invisible character into the name field. Once you've done that, hit Save, and that's it. Your name will now appear as invisible on WhatsApp. Pretty cool, right? If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.